welcome back to my channel. It's Tanya M. If you're new here, I do reviews on wigs, so human hair and synthetic. So go ahead and hit that follow button if that's what you're interested in. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. Today's unit, and I'm currently wearing her, is by Jessie's wig. They sent me over their 7x5 pre-cut wavy layered wig. So the hair's already layered. The bangs already came cut like this. The hair arrived curled. The lace is already cut. Knots already bleached. Everything that will prevent you from throwing that wig right on at that very moment is already done for you. So you could just take her out of the pack and go. And when I say she's glueless, she's 100% glueless. It comes with an adjustable strap on the inside so you can be secure. This wig is secure for you girls. Absolutely love this wig. The hair is super soft. And I will show you the install, so stay tuned for the next clip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment down below your thoughts.